Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locking in essential constraints. Measure each wall and note window and door jams. Use a consistent scale, for example 1/4 equals 1 minus 0, because accuracy here saves rework later. Once done, plot load-bearing walls and plumbing stacks first so they drive layout decisions. These are immovable anchors. Make quick decisions about circulation paths now, since door swings and corridor widths determine furniture placement and code compliance. This front-loading of constraints means you now work through the complex middle of the plan. Allocate rooms by function and adjacency, placing kitchens near plumbing and bedrooms away from noise. Draw primary circulation lines and enforce minimum clearances. Aim for 32 clear paths and account for door swings so movement is natural. Then route services. Align sinks and toilets with existing stacks when possible to reduce cost, and plan electrical panels with logical circuits. As you iterate, check proportion and daylighting so spaces feel balanced and usable. You finish by cleaning up and verifying. Add precise dimensions, label finishes, and include levels and key elevations so contractors know intent. Cross-check local code requirements for egress, fire separation, and minimum room sizes. Make small adjustments now rather than during permitting. Produce final scaled drawings and a one-page materials summary for bidding. If reviewers flag a problem, re-examine circulation and plumbing alignment first. Misaligned stacks or blocked egress are the most common issues and typically the quickest to fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.